Healthy dinner ideas for weight loss. Ideally, what type of food should you eat for dinner? Heavy meals, light meals, or whatever is available? In this video, I will share not only food that will help you lose weight, but the type of foods that you should eat before going to bed. If you are trying to lose weight, one of the most useful things you can do is pay attention to what you eat for dinner. After your last meal, you will not have as much time to digest what you ate as you would after breakfast or lunch. So it is a good idea to keep your dinners light and comfortable on the belly. Here are a few healthy dinner ideas that could help you shed your unwanted pounds without depriving yourself of food. Healthy fish and chips. Skip the batter and bake your fish instead of deep frying it. Then have it with a side of baked sweet potato fries, which will feel just as indulgent as regular fries, but with more nutrients and less fat. One baked cod fillet will give you over 40 grams of protein with only 189 calories, so it is an excellent option to add to your rotation if you are trying to lose weight. Here is an easy recipe for healthy fish and chips. Ingredients: 2 sweet potatoes sliced into fries, salt and pepper, 4 tablespoons olive oil, 4 fillets of cod, 1 lemon sliced into rounds, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 2 teaspoons dried parsley. Procedure: place sweet potato fries on a prepared baking dish. Season with salt and pepper. Pour half of the olive oil on the fries and toss to coat evenly. Arrange the sweet potatoes towards the side of the dish to make way for the fish fillets. Pour the remaining oil over the fish and season each fillet with salt and pepper. Place the lemon rounds over the fillets. Drizzle the fish and fries with the dried thyme and parsley. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Consume 1 fillet and a quarter of the sweet potato fries per meal. Guilt-free zucchini shrimp spaghetti. Zucchini noodles are a godsend to dieters because you can enjoy them just like you would any other pasta dish. Sure, the texture is different from regular noodles, but they are much healthier, and they are excellent for weight loss dinners. Because these noodles are very versatile, it will be worth investing in a spiral slicer. But even if you do not have one, you can enjoy this dish by slicing your zucchini into long, thin strips. Here is a foolproof recipe you can follow. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1/2 onion minced, 1 pound shrimp peeled, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 pound zucchini spiralized or sliced, salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons dried parsley. Procedure: in a large skillet, heat the olive oil and add the garlic. Stir frequently until the garlic begins to brown. Add in the onion and stir fry until translucent. Add in the shrimp and stir until just cooked. Pour in the lemon juice. Add in the zucchini and stir until strips are tender. Season with salt, pepper, and dried parsley. Split the entire batch into 4 servings for a healthy, low-calorie meal. Warm quinoa salad. Quinoa is a superfood that is both filling and nutritious. Add it to a good portion of kale, and you have yourself a healthy, satisfying meal that is a perfect dinner for people looking to lose weight. Here is a delicious quinoa salad recipe. Ingredients: 3/4 cup quinoa, 1 1/2 cups chicken broth, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion thinly sliced, 6 cups of kale torn, 2 cups chicken oiled and shredded, 1 apple cored and sliced, 1/2 cup vinaigrette, your choice, 1/2 cup toasted nuts, your choice. Procedure: use a large skillet for cooking the quinoa in the chicken broth. Once cooked, transfer quinoa into a large salad bowl. Using the same skillet, heat the olive oil. Add the onions and stir until slightly translucent. Add the kale and cook just until it starts to wilt. To the bowl of quinoa, add the chicken, apple slices, nuts, and vinaigrette. Toss thoroughly before distributing the quinoa salad to the 4 portions of the kale. Consume 1 portion for dinner and save the rest for your next few meals. These healthy dinner ideas for weight loss are easy enough to adapt to other recipes. Use them as inspiration to come up with unlimited food ideas that are healthy and filling. Using these as a guide will help you achieve your ideal size without resorting to skipping meals or depriving your body of much-needed nutrition. Instead, these weight loss-friendly meals will nourish your body and allow you to feel full, all while helping you shed your excess fat.